Silver. Another classic episode of John's Gold and Silver. So you can feel free to ask any questions today. We'll let YouTube do its thing and get a few people in here. What's up, everybody? John's Gold and Silver here. All right, guys, let's go. Come on in. Let's just let YouTube do its thing. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, YouTube. Once we get a few more viewers in here, we'll get started, guys. Let's let YouTube do its thing and pump out this video so more people see it. Thanks, YouTube. Let's go. Come on, guys. Hashtag XRP. Let's wake that algorithm up. Hashtag XRP. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Hashtag XRP. Shibainu. Shibainu, guys. Let's go. Put your favorite cryptos in the comments. Shibainu. What's up? Yes, Bitcoin. BTC. Dirty RC's in the house. Let's go, guys. Come on. We got to get those watch hours up. I'm chat for a few minutes, but I have chores. Yeah, I have chores too. Dang, chores. But yeah, gold is way down today. I think gold was up so much that there's just some profit taking, so seems like most of your viewers are on during evening. It's all different. It's always different. But yeah, lately we haven't really had any viewers, hardly. Just you. And like 2 other people. Yeah. Yeah.
And they create a lot of volatility. And I don't know if you've seen this, Jesse. Back in the 70s, there was communication between the London bullion dealers and the U.S. Treasury and also the State Department about the coming legalization of gold on January 1st, 1975. And one of the dealers in London said, yes, the creation of the futures market should help keep Americans away from hoarding physical gold because it's going to create a lot of volatility and the futures market is going to dwarf the physical market. So that's how they do it. But yeah,
I bet in the
think
being people gotta go.
to the
Good
fact
luck.
that the only real way to own gold and silver
Yeah.
is to buy the real
Good
thing.
luck,
And
buddy.
I think the billionaire there, Mr. Bateman, is an example of that.
You pointed out on your channel recently that Japanese government bonds and silver are pointing to a major financial upheaval. Break down what you're seeing there for us.
Yeah, silver, I guess the reason why I said that is because the last time, 2 times, well, the only 2 times silver went to around.
Let's go, guys. Come on.
Back in the late 70s.
We'll just let YouTube do its thing with the algorithm, and then once we get about 100 people in here, we'll get started, guys. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. All right, we got 3 people in here, guys. Let's get started. Too bad it's almost over now. I don't have all day to do this, guys. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's go. Bitcoin is down today. We'll take a look once we get a few more people in here. We'll get started soon. Hopefully. Once we get a few more people, we'll get started. Bad digger. I bet. Whatever that is. We'll let YouTube do its thing. Come on, YouTube. You can do better than that. Let's go. As soon as we get a few more people in here, we'll get started. All right, we're back down to 0 people. Once we get 5 people, we'll get started. All we need is 5. 5 people. All right, and we'll get going. Let's go. Come on, guys. This is exciting. We got a lot of important topics to cover today. A lot of important stuff. With the recent drop in Bitcoin, with the drop today in gold. Once we get a few more people, we'll get started. And I have to tell you guys a lot of stocks so that we can become millionaires. So 5 more people. Let's go. Let's go. Just let YouTube do its thing. Let's go, YouTube. Let's go, YouTube. Yes, come on. Let's go. Let's go, YouTube. We got 2 people. We need 3 more people, and then we'll get started with today's video. I'll let YouTube do its thing. Come on, YouTube. You can do it. I know you can do it. You help out so many other YouTubers by pumping out their video, and you can help me. Come on, YouTube. If we don't make it, we don't make it today, you know. I'll just do a video for the Patreon members, and that's it. Let's go, let's go. It's a good time to be alive, guys. Silver is still, I think, over 39 bucks right now. Silver's doing very well. We'll talk about it in a minute once we get a few more people in here. The investment opportunity of a lifetime. Do you think there's more upside to Bitcoin? Yes, but I don't know if it's going to happen right away or if it's going to be a few months, you know. But yeah, Bitcoin has the potential to go a lot higher. I think it's all a scam, but it doesn't matter what I think. It matters what the world thinks. The world is in on it. They want to make money. The world is greedy. The world is full of gluttons, people that have excessive greed. And if all these people believe it's going to go higher, it will become a self-fulfilling prophecy. All these institutions are buying Bitcoin. They're loading up on it. I think Bitcoin could go to 300,000. Depending on how long the Bitcoin train stays alive. If it stays alive for a long time, Bitcoin will go up as the M2 money supply goes up. So Bitcoin will eventually go to $1 million. So Bitcoin is the ultimate buy and hold, you know, kind of like silver and gold. They're the ultimate buy and hold investments. Silver, gold, Bitcoin. Until we get some kind of a collapse, then I would see Bitcoin would crash. But yeah, everything is going to crash eventually, guys. But we just don't know when. So there's Bitcoin Maxi. No, I don't like Bitcoin at all. I do not like Bitcoin. But I like Shiba Inu. I like Dogecoin. I like all of the meme coins and the altcoins. All right, I like Internet Computer, ICP. There's Sui, Hedera, Tron, HBAR. I just don't like Bitcoin because it's not one of the best coins. It's one of the worst coins. So what do you say about RWA coins? No. I just hold Shiba Inu, ICP, Origin Token, Stellar Lumens. I have a little bit of XRP, a little bit of Bitcoin. But my biggest holding is pretty much Shiba Inu. What do you say? Yeah. So yeah, guys, we got 6 people in here. Yes, we're doing it. But it's basically time to go. I tried. I did the best I could. Now we have enough people in here, but it's time to go. So good try, guys. I appreciate you guys. Good try. Do you prefer gold or oil? Well, I like a lot of different oil stocks. I prefer gold, though, because gold is a physical asset that you can hold. Oil, you can't really hold on to oil unless you get a bunch of barrels of oil, and then it's just going to go bad. It's just going to go stale, you know, after so many years. The oil will, you know, it's going to go stale. So I believe in gold, silver, platinum, but for oil, I like oil stocks. If you want to see a list of my favorite oil stocks, please join the Patreon. It's only $10 a month. All right? $10 a month. Technical or a fundamental trader? You have to be both. You have to look for technical signals and trade based on fundamentals. You got to combine them both together. But mostly, I just trade charts. I don't even look at the fundamentals sometimes at all. Sometimes you can just trade the charts, and that's how you make your money. Sometimes the true fundamental reasons do not come out until after the asset has already moved. So sometimes you have to ignore the fundamentals. People are thinking, oh, I gotta pay attention to the fundamentals. No, sometimes you should ignore them. And you have to know when and when not to ignore the fundamentals. This is not easy stuff to teach, guys, but I try to teach you on my Patreon. John's Gold and Silver. It's my Patreon. So if you want to know this stuff, join up. Very important stuff. So yeah, I do trade fundamentals unless I know that I should be ignoring them. So, and then I just trade the charts. And I also trade based on what the markets are doing, what everybody else is doing. Because I like to do the opposite of everyone else. I'm a contrarian investor. If everyone's buying Tesla, I'm selling it. You know what I mean? If everyone's buying gold, I'm selling it. Right now, everybody is buying Bitcoin, so I'm buying gold. I'm trying to do the opposite of what the masses are doing. I do the opposite of what the sheep are doing. The sheeple. Pop shirt off for the bodybuilders. We're not doing bodybuilding. This is a finance channel. I would do bodybuilding videos if we got more views. We only have 6 views. If you donate money, I might start doing more workout videos, yes. But you got to donate money to the Cash App. Jesus Rodriguez is in the house. I knew we'd have some good team members stop by today. You know, it's a depressing day, Jesus, because the price of gold is down. Gold's down $37.50. $37.50. So we have a major rejection. It was a major rejection of all-time high prices. We're being rejected, guys. Here's gold right here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then look at this. 1, 2, 3, and then it started coming down, and then on the 4th one it blasted off. You could say 1, 2, 3, 4 blast off, but basically we're looking at a very similar chart structure here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it shot through on the 4th one. So I actually think what's going to happen here, as you see, all of these tops got severely rejected. Severe rejection. Severe rejection. Severe rejection. Now this one. This is the key. This is the key. Hopefully we don't come down anymore. Hopefully we stay up here. We stay up at this level. And I think gold is getting ready to push through to a new record high. It's getting ready. This is just a technical sell-off. It always happens near key levels, you know, a constant rejection. But when gold keeps on pounding at 3,500, it's going to break through, okay? Gold will break through 3,500. And then we're probably going to 4,200 by the end of the year. I'm going to guess 4,200. And I'm going to guess silver is going to be 50 or 55 an ounce by the end of the year. Needed some cash. Pound it. Just sold off some silver bullion. This guy just sold silver. I think that's what all the newbies are doing. That's what the sheep are doing. I want to do the opposite. I see that a lot of people are selling silver. I want to be buying it. Okay? You always want to do the opposite of the herd. Right now, we know a lot of people are selling silver because it's all over on YouTube, on the coin show channels, that people are overloaded on inventory. Average newbies are dumping silver. I think this is the stupidest thing. You're dumping silver right before it goes parabolic. This only happens freaking 3 times this century. 3 times in 100 years. Well, it's only going to happen twice this century. 2011 and now 2025. This only happens freaking hardly ever. And you're going to be selling your silver, dude? Most people need the money, though, because the economy is so bad. People are dumping silver because the economy is shot. Ethereum, he likes. Buy. No Mohammeds allowed. No Mohammeds allowed. No Mohammeds allowed. Wait, Mohammed. No, Mohammed's okay. You're okay. He's one of our loyal viewers. I didn't mean that. Are you Menton? Mohammed is a loyal viewer. Thank you, Mohammed, for coming in today. Thank you. I didn't actually see that was your name. But yes, no, Mohammed is fine, okay? I don't know who said no Mohammed's allowed, but yeah, we don't allow that. We don't allow no Mohammed's allowed. Shiba Inu is at 401399. Wow. All right, guys. Thanks for helping me have a great live stream. Thanks everybody that participated and liked the comments. It wasn't fun, Train. Okay. Yeah, it better not be, because I'm supposed to be cracking down on people when they make fun of other people groups. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with Mohammed. He might be from America. He was just named Mohammed. He's probably an American. Okay? Does not mean that he is from the Middle East, just because his name is Mohammed. So I think Mohammed is most likely a good character. He's probably not a Muslim. All right, guys, we will talk to you guys later. I'll see you soon.